Hello, friends and colleagues. If you are watching this video, it means you have decided to participate in the competition, which is jointly organized by VOLFIX and Liberty Market Investment. Let's take a quick look at how to register to participate. If you are launching the platform for the first time, after entering your username and password, you can use the Save Password function so that you don't have to enter your password every time you log into the program. In the Market Watch window, click on the Start menu, select Trader's Rating. Left-clicking will open the window for this module. In the upper left corner of the window, you will see the registration button. To register for the event, you need to come up with a unique nickname and press Enter. We sincerely ask you to use common sense when choosing a nickname and avoid rude or offensive names. The last thing we want to do is remove participants for such provocations. After pressing the Enter button, congratulations! You have registered for the competition. You can check this very easily. Again, in the upper left corner, click the Start button, then Chart. An empty window for working with charts will open. Position it as you like or simply expand it to full screen. At the top center, there is a Trading button. This function will take you to trading mode. In the changed window, open the account list. Here you will see that in addition to the 2 basic demo accounts, and other accounts, if you have them, you now have a special account on which you will participate in the competition. For now, you can select the permitted symbols and practice on the built-in demo accounts, while the competition account will be available for trading only after the event starts. You can track your results in a special window, Trade Report. Close the previously opened trade, then click Start and find the item you need in the menu. All your trades and some performance indicators will be displayed here. By the way, if you didn't know, VOLFIX has a mobile app. It allows you not only to track liquidity flows, but also to open trades, trade from the chart, manage positions, set and track notifications, and much more. You can also select your competitive account, place limit orders directly on the chart, or open a trade with a stop loss and take profit directly at the market price, and then monitor the result. We highly recommend it. You can download the app from Google Play or the App Store under the name VOLFIX.NET. Your login and password will be the same as on the main platform. If you have any questions, please contact VOLFIX support and they will help you get everything right. Have a great day and successful trading.